20 to 25 days into your contract, you get your insurance quote and you find out that your insurance is going to be twice or three times what you thought it was on your dream home. And so you either can't close or you close and then you realize the insurance is too much and you can't afford it, or you're house poor. So, what should your agent be doing? Well, they should be pointing out all the red flags. If they're your agent as a buyer's agent, they need to be looking out for your best interest. They need to be acting as your fiduciary. So, what does that mean? It doesn't mean walking through the house and telling you everything they love about the house. It means pointing out the important things that you need to know before you go under contract. How old is the roof? Does the house have hurricane shutters? Does it have impact windows? Is it in a flood zone? These are all things you need to know before you put an offer in, especially if you live out of state. A lot of out of state homeowners don't have to worry about flood zones in the same way that Floridians do. They don't have to worry about wind mitigation. They don't have to worry about storms that could come yearly. All of these things are factors that need to be taken into account before the offer is put in. This is part of your negotiation. Once you're under contract, you have your due diligence phase. During the due diligence phase, when you're doing your inspections, we're also going to get you insurance quotes so that you know the price of the house. You know how much it's going to cost you every month. And if at that point it's not affordable for you, well, we find another home that fits the criteria that you need so that you're not overpaying and you're not house poor. I can't stress this enough. So many people go into homes and they put offers in and they purchase houses because their mortgage broker told them they could afford something. But the reality of it is, at the end of the day, they're struggling to pay the bills every month because they're house poor and they didn't take into proper consideration all of the costs, especially first time home buyers. A lot of them go in and they don't even understand the complete costs of owning a home. Again, your realtor needs to come in, step in, and help you. If they're just opening doors for you, they're not doing you any good. They need to be your fiduciary. During your inspections, during your survey, it's important that you get an elevation certificate. This will tell you how many feet above sea level your house sits. You can reduce flood insurance by 20, 30% or more depending on your elevation. But a lot of people forego this because it's not part of your normal survey. Insurance is now your second biggest cost behind your mortgage. This stuff isn't optional anymore. If your agent isn't doing these things, you're working with the wrong person.